Hi everyone, this is Colin from Behring Companies, and this is one of our Sharevault tutorials. Today we're going to show you how to download files from Sharevault onto your computer so you can read them later. Just go to the sharevault.net website, enter your login information. After reading all the notices and everything, just agree to pass through. Then it'll bring you to the main menu. You'll see all of the documents that you were authorized to go ahead and review and conduct due diligence for. Depending on what project you have or which ones you're looking at, you'll be given access to different things. Click on the package in which you prefer to download, and I'm just zooming in to try and help you see. Looking at this, like for example, we'll use the BRC Legacy Fund. You could see like the whole stack of lots and lots of documents. Downloading one by one would be very painful. You have an ability to actually select all here in the top corner. And then from there, the three-line menu, you're able to batch download. And that's actually going to take this entire 1,600 pages and 86 megabytes of files and download them simply to your computer in a zip file. So they do offer a file name numbering, so they'll actually add a number to each file name, which would help you kind of keep track of where they all are and which ones are what, and also put them in the same order that you saw them appear on Sharevault. So it's pretty useful, nice and compact, nice and quick, but that's all it takes to download each document set. If you're only looking for one of the simple documents, or just one for that matter, you're able to just click on one document and click to save this file, and that would simply just save one file. So after that is done, go ahead and you can open it up on your own computer and you can read it, and it just comes with a watermark so we know who it was distributed to, what email, contact, IP address, all that kind of stuff. And that's mostly so we don't have anybody violating our NDAs. So if you plan on zipping this out to everybody, just don't. Thank you very much. And if there's any more questions, just feel free to email us at info@behringcompanies.com. Thank you.